Do you need to have a personality on social media that fits in with your job?
Again, I think this goes back to making sure that the way you portray yourself is authentic. Like, I think if you have to sit and think, oh, I don't think that I've got the personality for this, that's probably not the case. I think that you just need to make sure that you are posting things that are relevant to you, you're comfortable doing, you are following people that are relevant to you and you think you can engage with as well. I think otherwise you can get quite quickly lost, and also um, you're not going to really achieve anything of it because people are building a relationship with someone that's not real. It's a facade you're putting out on social media. So I think it's quite a difficult one. It's one that is hard to explain, but it's trying to strike that balance of something that is authentically you, but something that you can offer a fresh perspective, and that's just based on the way that you think or what you've done or the way you want to articulate yourself online.